6th, 2023. Right now is 8:10, so it's an hour and a half, an hour 20 minutes before the market opens. And let's jump right into it. Let's go into right now marketwatch.com. Pre-market is pretty flat, down, it's very slight. Right. It's the news. Saudi Arabia as the new Switzerland. Really? As the new Switzerland? Okay. Yeah. Whatever. Stock market futures move lower. Stock market likely decline. These are just predictions. I'm not looking for predictions in the morning. Nothing much. What they're clicking down on Airbnb in this thing. That'd be interesting. Would that push the prices down? Would that the beginning or the end of Airbnb? I mean, in general, people that I know that use Airbnb before is pretty mixed. Some of them it's okay, some of them pretty unsatisfied, and there's a lot of horror story, especially in Manhattan, that I encounter. Well, a lot of my friends are New York based, so yeah, when they flies in or they're visiting or they're using that Airbnb, not a very positive experience. So yeah, and then there's a lot of headwind for them, and yeah, that model, I don't know. I think it's just a matter of time. Yeah, and they will come in. GameStop, so nothing much. This is why the market is pretty flat. Jump right into the technical analysis. VIX, wow, VIX sitting all the way back at all-time low again. Really all-time low. Look at these consecutive coming off. So, which means what? The market is up, okay, coming back a little bit. The Dow Jones and Spider, they all doing the same thing, rounding off this little top. Yeah, right there, there's a resistance. They can fight a little, see if it bounce off or break through. So that will be interesting. So I'm looking retracement and continuation of a trend. Is it possible? Who knows, right? But when market source hands, we gotta play. Oh, look at that, the small cap. Took a dive yesterday. Yeah. Although this is a false hammer bounce right off. Yeah. Didn't catch this. Okay. Stocks is the stronger one, I guess. Yeah. Nasdaq Bank. Yeah, pretty depressed. This guy. The banks are pretty depressed. Regional banks, regional banking ETF, same thing. Right, hugging this triple bottom, kind of like that. You can call it. Yeah. So okay, I'm just looking at this little doji and compress. Okay, yeah. So does this make, the momentum dies down? Does you see this make a low? Let's make a higher high than previous low, a higher previous low, but MACD, you have a lower low. This and this, so that's gonna be just sideways. I don't expect it's gonna punch for the 200-day moving average anytime soon, I guess. It's some substantial fundamentals for that to move. Okay, that's going to go move. I'm going to keep these short now. Ooh, oil spiked, right? So that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, about 7 trading days, a week and a half of this. A little taking a breather, temporary pause or whatever. This is a doji stock that signaled the end of first move. However, if you look at this is not even going higher. And so the momentum definitely not there. That's what it's telling me. Using the MACD. Jump right into dollar yen. Nothing much. I'm still trying to find macro theme for the last quarter of the year, and trying to find reasons for bullish, reasons for bearish, or reason for sideways. Right now, I don't see any fundamental theme yet nothing really solid. It's yeah, Bitcoin because of these level, but okay. 10 year, nothing much. Gold is just pretty much sideways dying down. Right? Going into a kind of like a what I call a triangle. Going into a triangle. And kind of like that. So, yeah. Or you can do this, but that is more meaningless. Invalidate the last dip, and you get this. Invalidate this. This line could pretty much. Now, that's how I would draw that. Yeah, technical analysis, as much as it's a science, it's also an art, the experience part. Yeah, it came off. I expect more sideways, even if it gave me this. This end of that move, most likely. Will it try to dip more? Because you have this potential triple bottom, right? So it's pretty range bound, I would say, more like that. This potential, this valley and this valley, right? So you have this. So I was saying yesterday that it's a potential continuation of trend, but this is where we're looking for to get out if you have sell calls spread. Okay, never sell naked call. Always sell call spread because it's unlimited upside, unlimited loss to the upside. You can go to the moon, I would say. So yeah, you can sell naked puts because it can just go to zero, but upside can go to a gazillion for whatever reason. Right? And that will destroy. So you always sell call spread. You can be a very wide spread, but always sell call spread. So instead of saying sell call, which is what I say sell call, which I always meant call spread, sell call spread. Protect yourself that way. So it's not really unlimited loss when you sell call, but when I sell call spread, then you're protected on your spread. So in this sense, yeah, I didn't take this trade, although if I say that's a potential trade, but it's already kind of coming off. I don't even look at the premium, but I expect the premium will be really low because if you look at the wicks, the fix has really dropped back down to a very low level. It pretty much come off, right? It's at this level, so it's pretty not as good as a premium to pick up. Anyway, let's move on, right? We're going fast these days. I'm looking for trade. I'm looking for potential places that I need to keep in mind and find these trade. Nothing. These are pretty. You have to be patient. You have to be very patient when it comes to making money, trading, because it's opportunity cost and putting out risk capital. So you have to be patient. You have to look. And majority of time, I always say that trading is like naval warfare. Is days of boredoms and then minutes of sheer terror, because that's how it is in naval engagement. Most of the time, you're just selling, waiting for things to happen, and then surprise, things happen. Carrying attack and like that, especially like World War II. So I always say trading is like kind of like World War II naval warfare. Carrier warfare, a lot of surprises about triple top 1, 2, and 3 or intel. That's why you have this long tail, very obvious, very ton, and this scale out resistant line here. There you go. Now very clear. You have triple top. Right? So this we might look for a breakout. We might look for dip. We'll see. I don't make prediction. Yes. Sometimes it's very obvious prediction like triple top is going to come back. No, not necessarily. It's just telling me that it's triple top. It's going to bounce or go through. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Let the market, let the stocks always hand, and then you see a good setup, take a trade. Don't make predictions. It's not necessary. When the obvious is there, then you can make that projection and you can take that trade. Right now, we're just looking for the obvious, looking everybody power, because when it's obvious, everybody powering in basically, and you much higher probability. You just need to know how to put odds on your side. That's the game of trading, of making money in the market, not investing. So all that. You make projection. You don't make prediction. I don't make prediction. We all make projections. Investors, they all make projections. We don't predict the market. Alright, there's all news pieces of information out there now. There's internet. They're trying to make prediction. I don't play with that. They can make all the prediction they want, but until I see empirical data, more solid data that I can make solid projection, they have the high probability. Don't flip a coin. Yeah. Otherwise, you're just asking the coin god. Alright, why do that? Cisco. Wow, look at this trend. Yeah. Didn't have a chance. Then we came back. So that's good. That's interesting. Still want to watch these guys. These guys just chopping around. Oh, this guy did a breakthrough. Western Digital. General quite a lot. Kind of like. So nothing much. XP. Nothing on the financials, nothing on the market news, so okay, so the financials, sometimes I want to see news fundamental comes out and then how it plays out on the technicals, then those are good plays. So right now I'm just looking at technicals. Sometimes I look at technicals and go back to fundamental, but I always look at both in actuality. But it's faster a lot of time to take a look at technicals and then go back to fundamentals. Unless right there you see fundamental rolls out, right, in the morning, at the end of the day, in between, right, something happens. You look at the active movers of the day and you see, look at Oxy. Interesting. Why is it doing that? It's at the high of range. It's doing. You gotta break through this level. You gotta break through 67 if it's gonna be anything even meaningful on this guy. There's okay, yeah, that's that. X, get up and do that. I'm looking for stock in play, something that's hot. There were money flowing actively in or out, and where they have momentum. Even my trade is like days to weeks, but momentum. You always want momentum behind your trade and make things go much more smoother. Or hugging the 50 days moving average of this guy, General Electric. On a tear. Years ago, I have fundamental long term was really coming off, and wow, okay, that's pretty nice. Yeah, for my long term portfolio, that's pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. These guys, broke back below 200 days moving average, right? So yeah, it's around 200 moving day average. Pfizer, okay, not really much going on this Wednesday. The hump day, middle day, MJ, Marana tried to pick up again, but it's $4 stock, who knows, right? Obviously, a clear momentum breakthrough and pullback, and then look at false hammer and then buy those. Yeah, so let's mark that because it's. Maybe we'll play like 1, 2, 3, 4. This pretty momentum move is getting pretty nice. So I want to see something. Yeah, but we'll see. Yeah, in that sense. And then back to Neo just fighting at that level, at this level. Right after 3, of course. Lee jumps back down, but I'm still in the money, so that's fine. Neo just chopping in out right where 10 cents away from a break-even level. Right, so yeah, there's just like wow, probably have to wait for that one move upward and then I can get out, poke a little flat or whatever, like a little. I have to wait for that, or even going sideways just drifts up. That's fine. Yeah, so that's good. So that's fine. Yeah, everything is as it is as expected. Not really much going on. Nothing drastic. Gotta wait for the market. Fundamentals comes out, drive the market. These big green or big red bar, and then I can find some really good play setup. Right now, there's nothing. So, well, to make it short and precise every day, Right now, it's something maybe come back. I'm gonna come back, take a look later, middle of the market, end of the market, have anything interesting going on, and then I'm just making a short entry size video, and hopefully we can get a play. If not, that's always, end of the day and then tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone, and I will catch you next time.